Hello everyone, so I promised a tour around what exactly we need to do with this. So here it is. We've done a few things obviously, but you'll see them in later videos. So this will probably be a Thursday video and the Tuesday will be like the main sort of it's starting up video, but hey, you already know that. Anyway, remember to subscribe. I have an Instagram link below where I post majority of my updates. Like the video and comment. What plan do you think we should have for this car next? So this is just a general tour of exactly what it needs, now that we know what it needs. So let's take a quick look around it. So obviously one of the first things we noticed is that it doesn't start. Now we obviously found out it was one of the little fuel pipes in for one of the carburetors on that side. We then fixed that fuel line and it shot all the fuel out of the bottom. So we need to obviously get a HIF 44 rebuild kit. So if anyone has any of those or has a link to any, let me know because that'd be great. So we're taking obviously all the carbs and everything off. So that's obviously the engine running issue. The fuel pump works, and it didn't actually have any fuel in it either. The fuel pump works, everything works, the auto choke works, everything, because we did have it started up. It was running rough because basically it couldn't get enough fuel in the system. So we've now found that issue and now that's where we're at. So if we keep going around, obviously we've got the doors now. So the doors are a bit of a mess. So this one, it was letting me in at one point. It lets me in, it just doesn't let me out anymore. The central locking works. So if I go, as you can hear all that, is all locking and unlocking. I just don't want to lock the keys in it, take the keys out. Electrically we're more or less sound. I've sorted the sunroof out because we've washed that and got all the, it had loads of pine leaves in it. But the main sort of issue now, besides the clutch, which we'll get to when I actually unlock it, is this bloody boot. So I need to unlock this. Wow, which key is it? I bloody wonder. We're putting this out, aren't we? Anyway, so the boot, this is the main issue with this boot. You can see there where I've crammed some stuff in it. So if you just put the camera down there, you can see it. There you go. So there is a big ass hole there. So we're going to have to get that plated on both sides because it's gone straight through to the wheel arch because you can touch the tyre. So that's another issue, obviously. So, oh, boot's not closing again. Oh no. So I will go, let's go open the bonnet so I can show you the big issue with the whatchamacallit. So I've taken the glove box off. You'll find out why in another video. If we can actually open. Why am I so bad at opening stuff? These bloody buttons. It's so hard to do. No, let me in. His fire to sack me out again. Right. There we go. Open. We'll get in. There we are. So if we just come around here and we have a look. So where the clutch cylinder, I don't know what it is, slave cylinder or something, mounts to the firewall, it's bent it outwards. Basically it's rusted a little bit, got weakened, and then it's bent its way outwards. That's supposed to be flat, so if you go just quickly have a look in there. There we are. So it's very nice, obviously. So we just need to sort that out with a plate. If anyone has like a cut or something, that'd be amazing. And we just need to generally tidy it up. Once that's all done, once it's running and driving under its own steam, then we can figure out what's what. So here we are, everyone, at the conclusion. So we did get her fired up and she did run under her own steam until the seals broke on the bottom of the carburetors. So on the float balls, this little rubber gasket ring thing, and it was literally in bits when we took it off. So yeah, that's nice, isn't it? So that's not very good. So we need a new gasket. So I think we're going to either rebuild it ourselves or we'll get someone to do it. So if anyone has any recommendations, let us know. So the doors and stuff, this door works. See the central locking. We'll just do that. You can hear it slightly. We haven't managed to get this door open yet. We have put some penetrating fluid on the little latch to hopefully free it up, because that solenoid there doesn't seem to be powerful enough to unhook it. This door, we got it open, but it's a bit weird. It's like it doesn't and it's a bit worse for wear. Sort of like it doesn't fit really on that side. It's like a bit of a gap. Another thing we noticed is how much these seals have shrunk over the years. Yes, we're going to need some more of them. The boot is starting to behave itself and shut a bit more, so that's another good thing. But yeah, it was just nice to see. It was just brilliant to see it running on under its own steam. See, now I'll go through the parts we've got. Manual steering rack, so that's non-power steering. We got our, I think that's the original, whatchamacallit it came with, the original jack. Some Vanden Plough wood, which I'm not really a fan of. Got some gaiters. All the Mizik spares. What the heck is this? Hold up. What is that? I don't even know what that is. Someone could fill me in, let me know. Yeah, just other random bits, pedal covers. This is for a thingy, that's for the center console. Other just random bits. Little heater knobs and all that jazz. See, we've got that car repair manual. The Haynes manual came in very handy today when we were looking at the fuel system, some brake shoes. Another inlet manifold, which we might put on, I guess. Obviously, we've got our original wheel. Tyre seems to have held air, and look at that big rim. So I think we'll probably keep that, obviously, as a spare. Fuel pump for a 2600 and some more stuff. Oh god, some more stuff that we're gonna have to blur out. But yeah, it's just nice to see it started, so stay tuned for the next one. So we managed to, oh, there's the boot, by the way. There's all the rust. That's basically it's just a bit crusty, but then obviously underneath that, I'll get you a better picture. It's got a nice hole under it. But yeah, we got a fair bit done today. I didn't think we'd get it started today, but that's about it. With some easy start and a bit of hosing from Halfords, you can do a lot. So thank you for watching. Keep watching. If you have any recommendations or anything, let us know. And yeah, remember to subscribe for more of this. SD1.